Continuous. Continuous.
Continuous.
Subscribe
Subscribe
our channel
our channel
on YouTube.
in YouTube.
Now,
Now,
we're going
we're going
to translate
to translate
each
each
Irish word
Irish word
into
into
English.
English.
Number 1.
Leaba.
Tama. Bed yun. Telefish.
Television.
Oo, telefish.
Ah?
Islo.
Television.
Television. Vision. Telefish. Television. Islon.
Slon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.